GT6 is set to launch globally and in the UK on June 20th. Brightest OLED display, flagship-grade processor, superb in design, huge battery, fast charging and many more. Today I am going to show you unboxing and first impression of Realme GT6. The Realme GT6, which is launching globally, is a rebranded version of the Realme GT Neo 6 that was launched in China. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider the subscribing and turning on the notifications by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. First off, when you open the box, you'll notice the AI branding on top. Inside, you'll find a 120W power adapter along with the usual accessories. Now, let's talk about the design of the Realme GT Neo 6. It comes in a liquid night color with a one-piece mirrored silver back. The back has a combination of glossy and frosted finishes, with the upper and lower parts being uniform. The camera module area has a mirror-like glossy finish, which also serves as a mirror where you can see your handsome face. The camera module is slightly raised, but there's no bump in the flash area. Both flashes can glow simultaneously, and there's a 4-level brightness adjustment for them. On the right side, you'll find the volume rocker and power buttons in a vertical bar shape. At the top, there's an infrared remote, secondary speaker, and microphone. The bottom houses the SIM tray, primary microphone, Type-C port, and bottom firing speaker. The phone weighs around 191 grams and is about 8.65 millimeters thick. The phone is lightweight and offers a good grip because both the back and front are curved, making it comfortable to hold. The frame area appears thin, but it's actually made of plastic, including the back. Despite being plastic, the back gives the impression of glass, enhancing the phone's look. Here you can see another color option. Please let me know in the comments which color you prefer. I think silver looks better. It's relatively simple and tough. You'll get stunning views outdoors, and there's another color option available, purple. You can see it in this picture. Now, let's talk about the screen of the Realme GT Neo 6. Realme and the Chinese company BOE have collaborated to customize this screen. That's why the screen offers a peak brightness of 6000 nits without dual screens. It has a resolution of 1.5K and a refresh rate of 120 Hz, with a curved design. In brightness tests, the manual maximum brightness reaches up to 1030.4 nits, and it reaches a global maximum brightness of 1693 nits, so even in strong sunlight, visibility will be quite good. You can see the results here, meaning this phone is better suited for those who spend a lot of time outdoors. Additionally, the screen also uses LTPO technology, providing an adaptive refresh rate to reduce power consumption. In low brightness, it features high-frequency PWM dimming at 2160 Hz+. The phone includes Greenfield AI eye protection technology. So, the smarter Active Eye Care AI will be used for fatigue detection, ensuring better eye protection. The screen is also protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2, which is mostly found in flagship phones. At this price point, most phones come with Gorilla Glass 5 protection, so having flagship-level glass is a great feature. This improves the phone's drop resistance, as you can see in this demonstration. The walnut easily smashes, but there's no sign of cracks when the phone is dropped on the table. Overall, the phone's quality is quite impressive. With a curved screen, the experience of swiping from the sides is quite enjoyable. While most users prefer flat screens, I personally like slightly curved screens because they offer a better swiping experience from the sides. Now, let's talk about the performance of the Realme GT Neo 6. It comes with the Snapdragon 8s Gen 3 processor, which is being seen in many phones lately. Additionally, the phone is equipped with a large area heat dissipation system, providing over 10,000 square meters of VC heat dissipation area. Other than that, the phone features LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage. The Max variant offers 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage. When you check the running score on Antutu, it goes above 1.66 million. In Geekbench 6, the single-core score is around 2,000 points, and the multi-core score reaches 5,236 points. The performance of the phone is indeed at a flagship level. Regarding gaming experience, playing King of Glory at 120 frames per second with high frame rate and high picture quality for 30 minutes yields an average frame rate of 119.86 frames per second. When playing PUBG Mobile at 90 frames per second on the highest settings for 30 minutes, the average frame rate reaches 89.84 frames per second, while the back temperature goes up to 40.5 degrees. For heavy games like Genshin Impact, playing at 60 frames per second on the highest settings for 30 minutes with a default resolution of 720p yields an average frame rate of 59.2 frames per second, with the back temperature rising to 47.8 degrees, which is slightly higher. However, with the GT Neo 6, you can even play Genshin Impact at 1.5K resolution by turning on ultra-high quality settings. Here, you can notice a significant difference in picture quality. The image quality improves significantly. However, when playing heavy games at such high resolutions, it's advisable to use the cooling clip to ensure outstanding performance. When you attach this cooling clip to the phone, it will automatically connect via Bluetooth, thanks to the AI feature. There's no need to manually connect it because it automatically connects in combustion mode, ensuring the ultimate gaming performance. Realme has also launched the Buds Air 6 alongside the GT Neo 6. These earbuds come with LHTC 5.0 high-definition transmission feature, providing very low latency of up to 55 milliseconds. Additionally, they feature 50 dB active noise cancellation and offer a long battery life of up to 40 hours, providing a great experience for gaming and watching movies. Now, talking about navigation on the phone, it's worth noting that the Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 is one of the few phones that support dual-frequency GPS. This software allows you to see satellite detection for accurate navigation. You'll find a significant number of satellites, and now let's compare the GPS with other Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 phones. In this example, if you look at the roadmap, it appears accurate, but on the right side, you can see it's not accurate. This is because in single-band GPS, there's overlap in routes, but with dual-band GPS, you'll definitely get a more accurate location. Now, talking about the battery and charging of the Realme GT Neo 6, it comes with a 5,500 mAh battery and a 120 watt fast charger for quick charging. In the battery charging test, the Realme GT Neo 6 charges up to 51% in just 10 minutes, and it fully charges in 25 minutes. Now, let's talk about the camera. It features a rear-facing dual-camera setup, with the main camera sporting a 50-megapixel Sony LYT600 sensor with optical image stabilization support. Additionally, there's a secondary 8-megapixel Sony IMX355 ultra-wide sensor. You can see photos taken with the main camera, which boasts a sensor size of 1.95 inches. However, the photo optimization is quite good, and even at night, the photos turn out well with reduced noise levels. You can also see the ultra-wide-angle photos, which are suitable for day-to-day use. Now, talking about other features of the phone, it supports NFC, has an IP65 water and dust resistance rating, features X-axis linear motors, dual speakers, and an infrared remote. When it comes to the price of the Realme GT Neo 6, the base variant starts at 2099 Chinese yuan in China, which translates to around £232 in the UK and approximately $291 in the USA. In conclusion, the Realme GT Neo 6 offers a super bright display, dual GPS support, 120 watt fast charging, and outstanding gaming performance. In my opinion, compared to other phones with the Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 processor, the Realme GT Neo 6 is the best choice. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thoughts in the comments section below. If you have any questions, also give this video a thumbs up, and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, as me signing off, thanks for watching, have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.